Ever wondered what happens when a vibrant, culturally rich dining spot at Disney's Animal Kingdom suddenly swaps exotic flavors for, um, well, the usual? It's a big change, and we're diving into all the details. Disney's Animal Kingdom is known for its immersive experiences, and that includes the food. It's been, I think, physically popular cycle spots like Yak and Yeti and Tiffin's offer incredible meals. It's like, but the Africa section had a special charm with Harambe Market sitting, uh, or better, exactly. Harambe Market was a quick service location that stood out because um, uh,
It wasn't just theme park food, it was an authentic taste of Africa. Um,
uh, dishes like the chicken and shrimp rice bowl were a real treat. Sadly, those flavorful days are over. Uh, Lasto Harambe Market recently closed for refurbishment, and it won't be reopening as you remember it. And get ready for a surprising shift in the menu. Uh, on October 20th, 2025, Harambe Market's doors closed for updates. Um, it's expected to reopen in early 2026, but with a completely different focus. Burgers and chicken nuggets are taking over. Uh, some of the outdoor seating remains, but it's mostly empty now. Uh, Before closing, Harambe Market served items like beef and lamb kofta pita and shrimp Caesar salad. Um, it was a place for unique flavors. In the past, Harambe Market even offered African inspired ribs, making it a go to spot for adventurous eaters. Now, a change is coming to the park's dining options. This refurbishment is linked to the upcoming closure of Restaurantosaurus in Binaland, USA. Since that location currently serves classic American fare, uh, Disney needs a new home for those items. Harambe Market's kitchen is being updated to handle the burger and chicken lineup. Also sends a kitchen after at the time. It's all about shifting gears to meet the park's needs. Very, very small, right? Um, and a Restaurantosaurus opened in 1998, originally sponsored by McDonald's. Even after the sponsorship ended, it remained the park's go-to spot for burgers, fries, and chicken strips, with Dino Land USA being demolished for a new Tropical Americas themed land. Restaurantosaurus will be replaced. See, a new dining location is expected to serve cuisine inspired by Central and South America. However, that new location won't open until at least 2027, or possibly even 2028. So Disney needs a temporary solution for those classic American meals. Disney hasn't announced an official reopening date for Harambe Market, uh, but it will likely return before Restaurantosaurus closes. The updated menu will focus on replacing Restaurantosaurus. offerings, and there's hope that a few African-inspired dishes might remain. But for now, guests should expect an American-style menu when it reopens in 2026. In the meantime, Kusafiri Coffee and Bakery will expand its menu to offer lunch options like Harambe chicken rice bowl and harissa chicken wrap. Will Harambe Market ever return to its African culinary roots? Only time will tell. It's a big change, but Disney is always evolving. Speaking of evolving, did you hear about the chef who only made dishes with one ingredient? It was a very singular experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, for watching.